This is Loretta Living, and I am getting ready to do the bar cart collaboration, hosted by two beautiful ladies. So now I'm going to show you what I'm going to make as my drink. We are asked to make a drink up and then show your bar that you use. So I am on my kitchen counter island, and you see that I will be using berries, blends, which I purchased from Aldi's. It has blueberries, strawberries, and cherries in it. I purchased a drink from Pacific Fruit, and it's a sweet blueberry. I'm gonna use one of those drinks. Sangria. You see sangria back there? And it has fruit in it. I like sweet drinks. Also there's a California Roots Sangria. This one was given to me by my daughter. And we have some 65 alkaline water, which is good if people don't want to have a drink. They can just simply have a little bit of that water and mix some fruit with it. So I'm going to show you how I am going to mix my drink up. First, we're going to see me take some fruit. I'm going to put my fruit in there because it's frozen. Strawberries. And these big juicy cherries. This is from Aldi's. This fruit. They have delicious fruit. So what drink I'm going to use? Dun, 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 dun. Let's see which drink I'm going to use. Is it going to be a berry, sweet berry, sangria, California Roots, or alkaline water? Let's see. I think it'll be this one. Sangria. So let's pour it in here. Just a little. And you see the fruit in it? That looks delicious. So, get your fresh fruit and your drinks from Aldi's. Now this drink, I don't know where it came from, but looks delicious and it will be used. Let me taste my drink. Oh, that is delicious. You know any drink is delicious when you use a fruit in it. It just sparkles it up and makes it taste fresh. So let me get ready to show you my bar cart. The bar cart that I have, you will see, it looks like a wall unit, but I've had it for several years. Show you my bar cart.